Our friends at Salneo sent us this RC stunt car. So cool. We're gonna take a look to see what comes in the box. And then we're gonna make a video with the kids playing with the car to see what it does. Because it's a stunt car, we're gonna put it to the test. Let's see. Oh wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. There you go. Okay, so I'll show you what comes in it. And you know, these cars are so different now. They have like a gamer style controller. You see that? The batteries are included. AA batteries, they're included here, you see. And it comes with a USB cable to charge the rechargeable batteries of the car. So these are the rechargeable batteries for the car, you see. This is for the car. It comes with two, right? And these batteries are for the remote control. Very important to indicate that fact. Now check it out. It's so cool. The rubber tires tackified, and this car is a 2.4, right? And it goes 360. So these wheels go in both directions. So this car could turn this way, go around 360, and then it runs this way and it runs this way. You see? So it has. Check out the car. You see? I can't wait to play with that, and we're gonna see what. So cool. So check it out. It's the car this way, right? And then if you turn it around, is a car. So there's always a car to the top, and then these, you see these, they rotate in both directions, making it a totally 360 rad experience. So you're gonna be able to do a lot of tricks. It has a lot of torque, battery powered, rechargeable batteries for this. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Check it out. I love the color too. So we're gonna charge these batteries and see how this baby goes.